Alright, I think we're live. Um, Hello all, this is day 63 of setting compilers every day until I land a compiler rule. Today's stream is like really early because I have some stuff scheduled for today. So, unfortunately, that leaves a lot of things really time constrained, especially when combined with like having to deal with midterms week. So, yeah, it's gonna be a really short stream, but hopefully I'll still get some enjoyment out of it. Initially the plan was to fix the mem2reg thing, but I haven't thought about it enough. I have ideas on how to do it, but it's definitely not gonna fit in half an hour, let alone 15 minutes. Let's get in. Did you know? How's... Ah, I see, that's tough. Yeah, unlucky, I guess. How could this conversation possibly continue? Yeah, what's good, Janine? I might not know anyone's birthday, so like I might be in the worst boat here, so yeah. I mean, honestly, you won't believe this, but up until I was like 12, I didn't know if my birthday was on the 17th or the 18th. So like, I mean, fair enough, but I'm not even joking. I can't make this up. Like, incredible child. Anyway. Yeah, it's truly magical. Let me pull up the operator precedence file real quick, so I can look at this as I go. Yeah, 7 and 8 are very close numbers, so like I think it's pretty easy to forget as a child at least. Early today, yeah, I got a dip at like 4:30, so yeah, everything is very fast here. Okay, so we want to add division today. I can't draw on this. That's very irritating. Let's take a snippet of the snippet. And let's draw on the snippet. You can see the JPEG doing JPEG things. That's a WebP. Okay, unlucky. Anyways, let's add division. Let's add division. We love division. Okay. Oh, jeez, I can't type. Okay, today's just a crazy day, I guess. That unplugged sound was mine. Apologies. Okay. Okay, so we start in the front end, I think. We need to add the operator. That's the bare minimum. Let's throw in, like, div here. Okay. Div doesn't exist yet. It will in a second. Let's put div here. That also opens up a lot of avenues for optimizations, which is fun. What's wrong here? Oh, whoops. What am I missing? This looks fine to me. Oh, that doesn't exist, I see. Okay, so let's go to utils, transform. Where did this live? MIR. What's the divide operator? Slow. Okay. Early stream? Yeah. I have to disappear in like half an hour. So after that point, I'm also just gone for the day, so... yeah, unfortunately that is what we will have to deal with. Okay, we want signed division, it looks like. As opposed to udiv, which is unsigned quotient. Okay, so we want sdiv. I think, right? Yeah. So with that, we have sdiv. I like how I have just compare op sitting here, like I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so we have that. Let's update the C++ file. Div. Okay, all this looks pretty reasonable. Let's make test real quick. This should still fail, but this should build at least. It should still fail because we're running into the weird ordering issue from last time. Oh, I see. Here, there's an S here. Let's try building again. Okay, huzzah. It looks like it builds. I just have to go all the way though. It's slow. Okay, this does exactly what we want it to. Oh, in the sense that it doesn't do what we want it to, but it still does what we want it to. Okay. So, we have signed division. Okay, so now we need to actually add this into everything. So let's start with the parser, I guess. Just zoom out a little so I can like scroll faster. Let's uncomment that. So we can steal from it, not so we can reuse it. This seems reasonable. Motion for zoom is just terminal control plus minus. I guess control equals minus, but yeah. What is this? Oh, that's the residual. Okay, so we have that. We want a pectoral, SOR, multiply, and divide. Okay, that all works. We need an action real quick. This should be pretty easy, I hope. I'd be very upset if it weren't easy. Paste up. Let's do that. This is sdiv, or just div. Okay. So that makes that. I don't think we need to change anything. Right? Yeah, I don't think we need to change anything in HIR for this. Binary op add, I think. Or just, yeah. Okay, nothing is specific here. We just need to add the fold, I think. Or we can do that next time even. I don't know. But okay, that seemed pretty straightforward enough. Can we just like add a test and call it a day? Honestly. That might be it actually. That's pretty funny. Okay, let's add it to binary op real quick. Nice new plugin for to do. Ooh, that could be interesting. I don't think that would change anything for me though, because I would kind of just forget that I put it there anyway. Like if I want to find them, I could just grep for to do, or even like / to do, if I wanted to be pedantic. Like, I know I can find them all. It's just like I don't remember that I can find them, I guess. Also, that's a lot of to-dos. I should do something about that. Okay, so this, let's do like 8 divided by, oh, what's a good number? 24 is a good number for division. Let's divide by 6. What editor is this? This is NeoVim. Okay, so we have a division test. Let's rebuild real quick. I think the parser is pretty standalone, but it's also really slow to build just because of how much template mess there is in there. Looks like we didn't rebuild debug, so we need to let that happen. Come on, let's keep building. Maybe I should just add test to the make build. That might be smart. Test. Right, that should fill more tests. That's pretty reasonable. Let's see. Can we just debug bin panic? Let's run it on test. Regression input. Binary op. Okay, it looks like that's not supposed to do everything. That definitely didn't fold correctly. Is that some undefined stuff that's happening? It might be actually. Let me pull this up. Yeah, okay. That's definitely something that's happening here. Is divide by 0 error or undefined? Okay, so it is just undefined. Okay, perfect. So we can just do whatever here, right? Right? Is that how this works? Yeah, let's do that. Also, the unary, is the unary test correct? That looked strange to me. Let's pull up the test again. Yeah, that didn't handle correctly, I think. Yeah, that does not look correct. Plus A should not be... Right, let's run this with O0. Okay, we load, we just put it back, I guess. Oh Christ, okay. This definitely makes a mess. Let's do passes inst combine. No. We want mem to reg. That's not supposed to happen. Why is that subtracting? Did I forget? Did I like mess it up in the implementation? But real quick, just checking this again. The divide looks correct. I need to see how it handles divide by 0, but we'll see what happens there. Let's see, where do we need to handle this? I think, isn't HR to MIR, right? Right? Wait. Oh, break. Whoops. Whoops, okay, that's pretty important. Yeah, that's a pretty big deal, actually. real quick, let's get add source frontend parser. Actually, let's add the operators first. Assign division exists. I need to format it. God damn it. Yuck. That's what it does with it? Hell no, we're turning clean format off. Okay. And then we need to do the same here, I think, right? Yeah, okay. Let's try that again. Okay, next thing we want to add is parser division in parser. Okay, next thing we want to add source middle end, let's combine division to inst combine, and then okay, let's add HR to MI real quick, or let's make tests, or we rebuilt, right? So we can try this again. Okay, this handles correctly then. Oops. What do I call this? I forgot breaks in switch. Okay. So now we can call test, regression, generate regression tests. Okay. Test. Oh, that's good, Niraj. Good to see you. Okay, the front end builds. The middle end builds. And the compiler builds. Okay. Alright, that still is in the same state as before. Okay. Add division to binary op tests. Okay. I think that's a pretty reasonable place to call it. Or maybe I could do a little bit more, but every single time I say that, it always goes wrong. So like, I don't know. What to do? Let's see what else I need to get done. I don't need to add division anymore because I just did that. In terms of operators here, we have completed these, maybe I should add a quick test for like this properly, but we can assume this is done. Let's use a different color. Maybe like a yellow. Okay. This is done. This is done. This is done. I need to add shift, so that'll be interesting. I think I'll need an intrinsic for that, maybe? Or no, I don't need an intrinsic. What am I saying? There is literally an instruction for it. And we have bitwise and. And we have equals. So I guess these might be nice to add, but maybe I should add the operators first, and then those will become relatively trivial. I don't know why NeoVim on Windows is a pain. Don't want to use WSL. Honestly, I don't think WSL is that bad. It's been pretty smooth for me for the most part, unless you need like something GUI. But even still, I think NeoVim is perfectly fine on just like a Windows terminal. Like if you're in like Git Bash or something, it'll do the job at least. Also, Westterm is perfectly fine. Yeah, that's my take at least. I think Western and Neovim go pretty hand in hand. So maybe I'll do like an after hours stream at some point, or like a stage channel thing in my Discord with like Neovim and like in Windows, because I haven't installed it properly. But yeah. Anyway, I think I will just call the stream here. I do need to like get ready and stuff. So yeah, thank you all so much for being here. Apologies that today was like quite short. Tomorrow should be a reasonable normal time stream at a normal hour. Make sure you sub to my channel if you haven't. Actually, if y'all are here right now, I'm pretty sure y'all have heard my spiel. Yeah, sub to the channel, like the stream. It would make a pretty big difference. Join the Discord if you haven't. Connect with me everywhere. Yeah. Anyway, bye bye.